In this fascinating video, we explore incredible secrets about the animal kingdom that many people may not know. Prepare to be amazed by these astonishing facts. Swans are known for their deep bonds. They spend their entire lives with a single partner. If one of them passes away, the surviving swan often experiences profound grief and may also die from heartbreak. Koalas have uniquely human-like fingerprints, so much so that forensic experts sometimes struggle to distinguish them from those of humans. This raises intriguing questions about the evolution of species and the nature of identity. When a crow is injured or near death, its fellow crows often exhibit alarming behavior, attacking and killing the injured member. This phenomenon reveals the complex social structures and survival instincts within crow communities. The barramundi, a remarkable fish, is born male and naturally changes into a female after a period of 2 to 3 years. This fascinating transformation showcases the adaptability of species in response to environmental and social factors. Research has shown that if you tickle a rat daily, it will begin to laugh and show excitement whenever it sees you. This delightful discovery highlights the emotional depth and social behavior of these small creatures. A scorpion can hold its breath for up to 6 days and can survive without food for an entire year. This incredible resilience allows them to thrive in harsh environments. Mosquitoes are not only annoying, but also scientifically intriguing. They possess 6 legs and 47 teeth, and interestingly, they are more attracted to individuals with blood type O. This fact could have implications for understanding disease transmission. Lastly, a butterfly can only take flight when its body temperature exceeds 86 degrees Fahrenheit. This relationship between temperature and flight capacity underscores the importance of environmental conditions for survival. Join us as we delve deeper into these remarkable animal behaviors and characteristics and discover more about the wonders of wildlife.